Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Steve Pitlack with Advanced Network Devices. We're here today at the Summer Summit on School Safety. Advanced Network Devices, we are a manufacturer of IP, Power over Ethernet, speaker and display combination devices. Here we're showing our high definition displays, which are used for mass notification, bell schedules, weather alerts, threat detection, and then also tying into safety and security, especially when it comes to lockdown situations, active shooter situations, and some of those types of situations that may come about. We also do offer panic buttons for, again, lockdown situations, something like this, which is
This is a lockdown. Lock the doors. Turn off the
so
lights and get out of sight.
here we have one that would be placed on a wall or something smaller that can be placed under a desk, maybe an administrator's desk or a teacher's desk as well. But our high definition displays, what's special about these is the customization, school logos, any type of backgrounds that you want to place. Basically, you want what you want your messaging to come out as to everyone in the facility. But here we have our IPS WD HD -MW model, which would go into classrooms, and then our high definition large display that would go into cafeterias, large atrium spaces such as this space. But if you are interested in finding out more information, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, or you can find more information on our website at anetd.com. Thank you very much.